Today I am reviewing the Shark AV2501AE AI robot vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are anything like me, keeping up with daily floor cleaning can feel like a never-ending battle. Between busy work schedules, family life, and the constant onslaught of pet hair, finding the time to pull out a heavy upright vacuum every single day just isn't realistic. Enter the Shark AV2501AE AI robot vacuum with XL HEPA self-empty base. This premium, sleek black robot vacuum promises to take the hassle completely out of floor maintenance by offering up to 60 days of hands-free, autonomous cleaning. Today, we are going to dive deep into its standout features, its advanced navigation technology, and how it actually holds up in a real-world home environment. If you have pets or allergies, this might just be the ultimate cleaning companion you've been looking for. Right out of the box, the Shark AI Ultra feels robust, premium, and built to last. Shark is well known for putting their machines through rigorous testing, and that build quality is immediately apparent. In the package, you receive the Shark AI Ultra robot vacuum itself, the massive XL HEPA self-empty base, and two durable side brushes designed to pull debris out of corners and edges. Setting up the unit is incredibly straightforward. You simply snap on the side brushes, plug in the self-empty base against a wall, and let the robot charge up. While it charges, downloading the Shark Clean Companion app connects the vacuum to your Wi-Fi network in just a matter of minutes, preparing it for its initial run. Let's talk about performance, because a robot vacuum is only as good as its cleaning capability. The Shark AV2501AE boasts incredible, deep cleaning suction. Whether it is gliding across hardwood floors, tackling tile, or navigating thick carpets, this vacuum dynamically adjusts to pull up heavy debris, fine dust, and everything in between. What truly sets this model apart from cheaper alternatives is the self-cleaning brush roll. If you have ever owned a traditional robot vacuum, you know the absolute nightmare of constantly having to flip the robot over with a pair of scissors to cut away tangled hair. Shark has completely solved this pain point. The brush roll actively prevents hair wrap, making it an absolute game-changer for homes with shedding pets or family members with long hair. Older generations of robot vacuums were famous for mindlessly bumping into walls, getting stuck under couches, or missing entire rooms. The Shark AV2501AE completely eliminates that frustration using 360-degree LiDAR vision. The LiDAR module on top of the vacuum spins rapidly, shooting out lasers to create a highly accurate, precise map of your home layout. It can map your house quickly and accurately, allowing it to navigate methodically day or night. It seamlessly detects and avoids obstacles in its path, easily adapting to everyday changes like shoes left on the floor or chairs being moved around. Once your home is mapped, the vacuum utilizes matrix clean navigation. Instead of just doing a single pass, the robot cleans in a precise matrix grid, taking multiple, intersecting passes over dirt and debris. This dual-direction cleaning ensures that high-traffic areas get a deep, thorough clean, leaving absolutely no spots missed. The crowning jewel of this system is undoubtedly the XL bagless self-empty base. When the robot finishes its cleaning cycle, it navigates back to the dock and automatically empties its internal dust bin into the base with a powerful suction blast. This means you can literally ignore your vacuuming duties for up to 2 months before you ever have to think about emptying the base container. Unlike competitors that force you to buy expensive replacement bags, Shark's base is entirely bagless, so you just press a button, dump the bin into the trash, and click it back into place. For allergy sufferers, this base is a massive win because it features true HEPA filtration. The sealed system captures and traps 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns, keeping the air in your home clean and breathable while it empties. In terms of battery performance, the Shark AI Ultra offers an impressive extended runtime of up to 120 minutes. If you have a larger home, you don't have to worry about the robot dying mid-job. Thanks to its recharge and resume feature, when the battery runs low, the robot will intelligently drive itself back to the dock, charge up just enough to finish the job, and pick up right where it left off. Furthermore, the hands-free experience is elevated by excellent smart home compatibility. You can easily link the vacuum to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. If you accidentally spill coffee grounds in the kitchen, you don't even have to open your phone. You can simply say, "Alexa, tell Shark to clean the kitchen," and the robot will deploy straight to the mess. To wrap things up, the Shark AV2501AE is a spectacular investment for anyone looking to reclaim their free time and maintain spotless floors. With its powerful suction, matrix cleaning precision, flawless LiDAR mapping, and a truly allergen-safe, 60-day self-empty base, it successfully checks every single box. It eliminates all the common annoyances of older robot vacuums, making it a reliable, high-quality appliance that genuinely delivers on its promises. If you want a cleaner home with zero effort, this Shark vacuum is highly recommended and worth every single penny.